We're imitating animals now, so here's my first one. Ribbit, ribbit. This is the second. The third one. My fourth one. What the fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. I'm a silent animal. I'm a fish. I'm a dog. I'm a chicken. Buck city buck buck. Chicken fried. Chicken. Shop a chicken. Shop a chicken. Did you stop it?